good morning everyone. This morning we're going to have our drive series, Kuala Lumpur driving series here at the city center, which is another one, the next one from this video here. So let's go. It's early morning, and hopefully that is still not that heavy traffic in front of us. Like the other video is that we went more or less at the same time, and let us see. As you can see now, it's a little bit slow moving because of the traffic light at the front. So let's go. So this is actually Jalan Imbi. It's one of the entrance going to the city center, coming from the outskirts of the city. And this intersection, this is actually, usually congested intersection because of which is the Bukit Bintang, Jalan Bukit Bintang. So this is one of the famous intersection, the Bukit Bintang intersections, my dear friend. So yes, we can go turn left, and let us see where we will end up. This is actually a contraflow right now. We are on the other side of the road. You can see those arrows on the road. This is what they do. The traffic police doing this in the morning. So I'll just follow through and see how can we turn over.
Lane departure.
So this is the Bukit Bintang intersection, which is also a very famous intersection here. The city that never sleeps, they call it. So we drive slow. This is Bukit Bintang. We will try to go around the pavilion. Call it the pavilion. The next one probably that we wanted to go through is the KLCC area. So let's wait. Maybe for the next drive-through that I will make it next time. So if you notice, the one at the left hand side is that's the monorail. So what I will do is I will go through and turn again around the pavilion area, and we actually be ending up here before we go out to the city center, from the city center. So this is how wide the road here now. We are actually here at the pavilion. The right hand side is the pavilion that I'm talking about. It's still clear because obviously it's early morning, before the rush hour. It's 7:07 here in Kuala Lumpur, to be honest, and we have to turn around again and go out from where we are earlier on.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
So here we go. You will imagine that this road is actually light up, more lighting in the evening, and a lot of people, and it's congested, usually congested. Right hand side is that the pavilion. And what I will do, okay, so we change directions. We will just to go straight up and see those lightings in here. So next time we will try to go around and see the other places.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Head motion detected.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight. Guess all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine. Just something to do. Thought I never knew. No sunrise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No sunrise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even Leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No sunrise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No sunrise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your
Lane departure.
I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your
Yes, okay guys, that's all again for this drive-through this morning. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next drive-through on this series here in Kuala Lumpur. Right, thank you, and I'll see you again soon. I'll be Tubukai signing off.